Devi pun. Jadi kami di sini akan melaksanakan tugas bahasa Inggris yaitu membuat podcast. Sebelum itu izinkan kami memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Fiona Sipasokia sebagai bintang tamu.
Saya Desi Tiamda sebagai host.
Saya Devratsita sebagai bintang tamu.
Langsung saja kita ke videonya. Check it out.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's podcast episode. In this episode, we're going to discuss a very important topic on shopping security. Everyone is probably familiar with online shopping, but did you know there are many risks involved? I'm joined by Devi Arvita, an experienced online shopper, and Fiona Sipasokia, a cybersecurity expert, to share their experience and tips on how we can shop more securely online. Welcome, Devi and Fiona.
Thank you, Desi. I'm happy to share my experience.
Thank you as well, Desi. I hope this podcast will be useful for our listeners.
Alright, let's jump right in, Devi. Someone who shops online frequently, have you ever had an unpleasant or risky experience while shopping online?
Yes, I've had one. I once got tempted by a really cheap price on a website and was familiar with. I decided to buy an item I wanted. After making the payment, I never received the item, and the seller stopped responding. It was very disappointing and a relief that I have access to quickly without checking the website properly. Since then, I've become more conscious about which states I shop from.
Wow, that's all like a very pleasant experience. Fiona, what would you recommend people do to avoid falling into a situation like that?
Indeed, there are many untrustworthy shopping sites out there. One of the main ways to avoid scam is by checking the site security. Make sure the website uses HTTPS and has a plug icon next to the URL. This means the data we send to the site is encrypted. Also, it's important to check reviews or testimonials from other users. If the site is new or doesn't have many reviews, it's better to protect with caution.
That's absolutely right, Fiona. After my experience, I always check review and ratings on a site before I make a purchase. If there are a lot of complaints, definitely look for another place.
So, checking review and looking for security indicator on the site is crucial. Devi, after that incident, what other steps have you taken to ensure online shopping is safe?
After that insight, I become more mindful of the payment methods I choose. I prefer using trusted payment apps like wallets or marketing transfer through bank apps. These payment methods are usually safer because they come with additional security features. I also always use strong password and enable two-factor authentication on my shopping account.
That's great. So, in addition to secure site, we also need to pick real payment methods and keep our accounts safe with strong password. Fiona, do you have any other tips for ensuring safety while shopping online?
In addition to ensuring the site and payment methods are secure, we should also protect our personal data. Don't give our personal information like home address, credit card number, or other sensitive on the official website. Make sure your devices are protected with up-to-date antivirus software and avoid using public Wi-Fi when making transactions. Public Wi-Fi is often insecure and could compromise or data.
I agree. I now always use a VPN when shopping online outside of my home. It makes me feel safer, especially if I have to use public Wi-Fi.
So protecting personal data and using extra layers of protection like VPNs and antivirus software is very important. Devi, after all this experience, do you have any final tips for others to shop more securely online?
My objective is to always be conscious and not rush into things. Don't get tempted by prices that are too good to be true, and always make sure the site you chose is safe and reliable. You should choose payment methods and always check review before making a purchase.
I agree with that, Devi. Security is so important, and with a few simple steps, we can shop online more safely and comfortably. Never underestimate the small steps that can make a big difference.
Thank you so much, Devi and Fiona, for your valuable story and tips. I hope our listeners can shop more safely online after hearing this. That's all for today's episode. See you in the next one.
Thanks, Daisy. I hope this was helpful.
Thank you as well. I hope everyone becomes wiser and safer when shopping online.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye guys!
Sarang ba? In this episode biar enak loh. Nah ini yang kinyir-kinyir saja. Duh, iya dah.
Dua.
Jangan ketawa lagi, gejeng dulu loh.